Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to create a website using Ionos. First, go to the Ionos website and click on Website Builder. Next, choose a plan that fits your needs. Just select the one that works best for you. After that, Ionos will ask you to choose a domain. Click Search to check if your preferred domain is available. Once that's done, you'll be taken to the Websites and Shop section. Click on Open My Website Now. Then, hit Start to begin building your site. For the first step, you'll choose how to build your site. You can either click a template or use the AI Website Builder. For this video, I'll go with a template. Next, choose a color palette for your website. And if you'd like, adjust the global style theme. Once you're done, click Next. On the final step, enter your business name, then click Finish Onboarding. You'll now be redirected back to the Websites and Shops section. Click Edit Website to start customizing for new sites. Here, you can modify existing elements and also change the design. And if you want to expand your site, just head over to the Pages section to add new pages as needed. Once you're happy with how everything looks, click the Publish button in the upper right corner. And just like that, your website is live and created. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.